Right. So where are we at, Jacob?
We're at the bus stop where the bus isn't going to pick us up.
So we are supposed to be doing a pass holder playtime at 7 a.m. at Hollywood Studios. It's exclusive access for pass holders, and we have an hour in Toy Story Land by ourselves. We had to register for it in like July, and it was really slim pickings. And we've been told several times that there will be a bus that runs and gets us there in time. Well, it's 6:30 now, and there's no bus. So we might be taking an Uber to Hollywood Studios. 6:40. Got about 5 minutes till we can check in, and we gotta walk to there. So yeah, an Uber saved us. Excited?
Yeah.
Feels great. It's like perfect out. It's dusk. Sun's not even up.
Nope.
We're in
It actually
park.
feels great. I'm not sweating today, right now.
Right now.
I'm not sweating right now. Once the sun comes up, all hell's gonna break loose. What? What? Oh, yeah. No. So yesterday, I destroyed Krista in Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah.
Did I not?
Yeah. That's pretty bad.
So we're gonna wager another favor in Toy Story Mania, and we all know who's gonna win. Gotta love a 5-minute wait to get into Toy Story Mania. Arguably one of the best rides in all of Disney World.
Toy Story Mania?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's
So
very high tech.
we're
High tech.
about to do that, and I'm about to whoop Chris's butt. So we'll see you shortly.
So this is Toy Story Mania ride number 1. How many times do you think we'll ride it?
At least 3.
At least 3?
And so on this ride, if you've never been on it, you need to pull a little string on the back of your gun as many times as you can, and it shoots little things out. It's like 3D, and each screen is different. So we're gonna get our workout in today because it is going to be extremely tiring. Oh, that's right there.
Last night, Mrs. Potato Head said, "Honey, there's a salesman at the door with a mustache." I said, "Tell him I've already got one." Look at this guy over here. He's got his hat on backwards.
Stupid potato song. our vehicle. That's between
Well,
me
probably,
and you.
we're probably the first people, so let's be real.
Final score. She had me beat the entire time until the end. Didn't you?
'Cause I couldn't do the last
She had me
one.
beat until the end, and that's when I pulled up and I won. So my favorite ride here is Rock and Roller Coaster. That is my favorite. We'll see if Slinky Dog
Slinky Dog takes the king.
can take over. But it's only a 5-minute wait right now, so I think we can wait that. Are you ready?
We're on Slinky Dog.
Hang on to your springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in Andy's backyard. Around the backyard. Now please stay seated till we come to a complete stop.
That was
Remember
much
to grab all
smoother.
your stuff.
Much smoother than I forgot. Than I thought it was gonna
Go
be.
on, pal.
What'd you think?
It was so good. It's so smooth.
It is way smoother than I thought it was gonna be. Here goes ride number 2. Just walked straight up, no fast pass.
We're doing it again. Time number 2. I'm gonna say we're gonna ride it at least 2 more
Barking up
times.
the right tree.
I
Here
want
we
to
go.
do Toy Story Mania.
I know, I'm just saying. Toy Story Mania said 3, I say this 4.
That's true. Yeah, a lot of the rides are going there.
Today's lunchbox, we got a turkey sandwich with some scrambled eggs and a lunchbox tart to raspberry. What do you think of the sandwich? Was it good? What do you think of Toy Story Land in general?
I like it. I don't think anyone should ride the rides over and over without waiting in line. So I'm a little tired now,
Yep.
but it was a lot of fun. And I beat
was.
Kristen twice in Toy Story Mania.
I put up a valiant effort.
I won.
It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Slinky Dog was really cool. I think it's neat that it's a little more kid-friendly here now. They have Slinky Dog, they have Alien, and Toy Story Mania has always been kid-friendly, but it's really cool. It's a nice little area and gives the other parts of Hollywood a break. So this pass holder playtime was well worth it. We didn't pay for it, but we were diligent about signing up for it, and we got here at about 6:40 and rode. So what did we do? Toy Story Mania 2 times, Slinky Dog 2 times, and now we're eating here. So we probably could have done more, but honestly, the walk through the queues took longer than some of the rides, but it was a lot of fun. We're gonna eat some breakfast now and then maybe go explore more.
We should get a head start on these.
Probably about 5-10 minutes. Some quiet in here. What are they?
Best grandfather,
Aw.
best mother, best father.
Those are cute. They're cool. Mark? Is that the right word? Got all the ears. Some household. These cute little Post-it notes. Jacob found hats. Those Star Wars ones are nice. That one's nice. You not like that one? Nah. Very indecisive. Oh, look how pretty this is. This is gorgeous. Isn't that cool? Jacob, isn't this cool?
That's cool. Okay, let's.
Welcome to your Hollywood adventure, where we invite you to dream, wonder, and imagine. Step with us now into this amazing world and create your own exciting story from a galaxy far, far away to infinity and beyond, where dreams come
We're trying to beat the crowd. Look at the crowd.
to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
We're gonna sprint so we beat the crowd. Here they come.
Hold on just a second, guys. Let the crowd catch up to us.
It's all good.
Oh, that's not fair.
They're not going to come this way.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're probably going that way.
Yeah, because they're all going that way. It used to be us, but now it's not us anymore. Now it's all them. Which is fine. It's fine. We just want to let them catch up.
Look at the crazy crowd of people. They're just sprinting, walking very fast. Now we go. One here. Look.
Yeah, we're good.
This is what happens in Toy Story Land. There's no one here at Broke Drive anymore.
When Star Wars opens up.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, I'm gonna want to go to Star Wars, but
Well, yeah, but okay. I'm gonna turn this off for now.
it's fine. Turn off.
Say
put it away.
bye-bye.
Have fun.
We'll see you probably after, maybe after Tower, because we got 2 big ones in a row. So see you later.
Now it is. Rock and Roller Coaster was good. That's my favorite roller coaster. Any park, any place, it's by far the best. And then Hollywood Tower Terrors, it's not my favorite.
The drops weren't as like every ride is randomized, so like the drops are never the same. The one we were on, it was like up, drop, but not all the way down, like halfway down, and then it went back up and dropped halfway down, and it was more bouncy. There wasn't like one big drop. Not that I'm complaining totally, but sometimes that's the thrill of it.
Yeah, I was expecting one big drop as well, and there wasn't, but it was fun. It was fun because we rode like all the good rides at Hollywood, and it's freaking 9:15 right now. We rode pretty much all the good ones, and now we're like, okay, we're done. It's also another benefit of being a annual pass holder.
I can sense it, I can see it. That's what it is. I feel like there are some married couples out here. There are some married couples out there. If you are married, raise your hands high into the air. All right, let's find out. Love is in the air. How many of you have been married for more than 5 years? More than 10 years? More than 15?